Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It is September 11th today. Markets are currently off to a really green start with the NASDAQ. Futures currently up by 0.8%, leaving a huge gap in the overnight session from 15,400 basically to currently 15,600, and watching three different stocks: Google, Meta to the upside, and Nvidia to the downside today. Good morning, Irfan. Welcome. Looks like Google might be starting below my stop loss at 137.21 right now. Trading at the bid with a possible volume gap up to 137.50. Also a volume gap on Meta here too. So I think I'm going to go with the Meta calls first thing. And then the Nvidia puts, just in case we go the other way. Got 2 minutes till the market opens. Let's check on Nvidia. Having a hard time getting above 463 for right now. My stop is up at 466. This 305 calls less than a 40 delta now. So maybe we can go to the middle of this, which would be about 75 cents lower for 40 delta. So get like a 30 stop loss here. Let's see what they're going to trade for. $30 till market open. All right, starting at 350 a piece. We'll get 10, 346. Set our stop in at 310. Netflix is going up above 445 too. That was another one I was looking at, possibly. Let's check on Nvidia though. Yeah, that one's sinking pretty quick here. Google popping off first thing here. Tesla's coming down, so we have a pretty mixed market. Checking out Netflix over 445. We might take a call there. I actually did see an opportunity there that I kind of liked. If it stays over 445. Currently right at 445. Let's find a stop here. Nothing really close unless you go all the way down to 441.50. Alright, those meta calls are doing hot now. Up at 390 a piece, almost 400. So meta should be going up pretty well. Yeah, up at 303. Maybe we can take profits at like 304. Alright, they're trading for 450 a piece now. Damn close to 304. Alright, I'm gonna sell it. Alright, those sold at 456. Nice start to the day. That should be over 1,000 in profit. Bottom at 345, sold them at 456 for 10. Let go of them a little bit early. It looks like it's going to hit 305 now, but got my profit and got out. Yeah, that was a $1,100 trade. Alright, so let's check Nvidia, the opposite side of the coin this morning. Still way too low for an entry here with my stop weight at 466. Google's popping higher too. Just touched almost the top of the range at 138.25. Peak at 138.17 before this pullback here. Meta is still going. 306 now, almost to a new 2-day high. Let's check the monthly time frame. Looks like it might be headed for that 307 mark, which should put it at a new monthly high if it cracks 307.90. Looks like Tesla's having a hard time with that 264.50 mark. It's up 5% today. The biggest gainer today by far, but so far having some trouble with that 265 level on the first 5-minute candle here. I really wish I could on that Nvidia put. It started way down at 462 though. Maybe we could take a trade against Google. Currently trading at 138 with the stop loss up at 138.25. So 25 cents worth of delta. And then we could aim for maybe 137.25 take profit. So about a 4-1 risk reward. Or 4-1 reward risk, I should say. We'll go with a 50 delta, 138 strike. This one is against the trend, which usually you have to be a little bit quicker about taking profits if you're going against the trend. Do I think Apple will recover from last week's news? I don't know if we'll see Apple trading back close to 190. Not in the near term, at least, in my opinion. All right, looks like Google just went over 138.25 for a second and pulled right on back there. Okay. They're trading at 150 a piece, 50 delta. So our stop loss should be about 15 cents lower. They're trading for 130 a piece. I'm going to go with 10 of them instead of 20, though. Since we're going against the trend, I'll downsize the position. Trading at 140. Okay. That's what I got them for. And the stop loss for this will be at 125. And the take profit should be... It's saying that these peaked at 145, but I don't think that's right. It's another 50 cents down. We have a 50 delta, so they should be about 25 cents higher. Trading for like 165. Looks like Nvidia's down at 450, so a pretty steep pullback there. That is a really bad wick for Google. They're trading at 50, 150 a piece. Currently up 100 for the position. Might even take profit at 137.50 instead of waiting for that 137.25 mark. Right now, the support looks to be about smack dab in the middle of this range at 137.75. Alright, they got the ask under 137.75 now. Contracts are at 148. So hopefully we start pulling back here. Alright, looks like we're spending too much time above 137.75, so I'm going to take my profits and leave this trade at 145. Not a huge profit, but too much support at 137.75 to keep it going down to the bottom of this range. Now finally below 137.75 again here. We could maybe take a call. With a tight stop at like 137.50. Again, delta for this option should be 30, so our stop will be 15 cents under. Just missed that limit order. All right, 137 entry. Stop down at 125. These ended up peaking at about 160 if we can get back over to 138.25 here. Nvidia's way down at 445. Wow. Blew right past that demand zone there. Apple's pulling back really hard too. So it seems like the names that have had some bad sentiment, Apple with the China stuff, and then Nvidia with the rumors of possibly fake sales. Both of those names are down a ton this morning. Alright, I'm gonna get 5 more of these. Currently at 130 a piece. 131 entry. Sold those at 125 for the stop. What am I seeing with Google? So with Google, it's just this demand zone that it's in right now. It's in a bullish trend on the hourly chart for the last 3 days of trading. It does have this resistance right overhead though at 138.25. So there's not a ton of upside here unless it cracks through that resistance. All right. I'm going to try my entry one more time here. Got those at 135. And I'll set my stop a little bit lower than last time at 120 instead of 125. So first we want to see the bid over 137.80, which it just went above, and then maybe we'll see that 138.25 mark again. Sorry, our bid has to be above 138, and then 138.25 is next. Let's check on Tesla. Still having trouble with that 265 level right now. With the morning high at 266.30 in the pre-market. We could maybe aim for that 257.50 mark. Currently trading for 400 a piece. Right at that 265 level right now. All right, these are going for 124 now. 122. All right, so those at 118. And immediately fell after that. All right, delta for this put 260 strike is 35. Entries at 330. Or sorry, 380. I wish I had a 330 entry. Stop will be at 340. Probably set or take profit down at 260 or 261. Where they should be trading for about 530 up to 580 a piece. Let's check through the other names in the meantime while we wait for this one to move. And set an alert for, I don't know, 261.50 or below. Meta's going higher again at 306. Amazon's really pumping here. Caught that support right at the top of this range. at 139.50. Now it's at 140.75. So pretty decent move. Netflix pumping. We were going to open that one. Didn't manage to open it. Microsoft at 137. So it looks like a lot of these names getting a decent V-shaped recovery. Alright, looks like we're going to get stopped here for Tesla. Just pull back. The option's not really moving like it should, though. These should be trading closer to 330, but they're at 350. Alright, those sold at 340. Pulling right on back from 266. Go in again at 355. Same stop at 340. Just floating around that 265 mark right now. So we got to see it probably under 264.30 if we want to start moving it back down to closer to lows. Nvidia slipping back down into 445. Definitely wish we had taken that put. Once we crack, or if we crack this 264.30 mark, I'll set my stop loss back to break even. We just ended up tagging it right now. Should have probably gone with the heavier delta. I think the delta on this option is like 30 cents, so yeah, 36. All right, back at the lows, retest, and flush through. We're trading at 405. Tesla's under 264 now. So we'll adjust our stop up to 355. And now we'll wait on, again, 261, or between 260 and 262, I think, is probably the best time to take profit here, if it goes that low. Nvidia's down at 443, so that's weighing heavy on the market right now. trading right now at the support from the pre-market, 263. I want to see the ask go under 263, and I think we'll start seeing 261. Catching that support at 263 for now. And bounced right there at 263. All right. Coming back to retest. I think I'm just going to sell them for 405. Or 410 if we can sell them that high. Alright, that should be in. Did it not go through? Let's see. Just sold those. At 415. Alright. So that's probably all the trades I got today. Let's go through my monitor tab, see how much we made. First trade was on Meta, $1,100 profit there. Google, we ended up losing 270. Stomped out, I think, 3 times. And then we had Tesla options that made us 100. So 100, 1100 minus the 270 from Google. 930 profit for the day. Not too shabby. Probably could have held those Tesla puts a bit longer and made out a bit more, but I'll take my wins where I can, and I'll catch you all tomorrow at 9:30. See you, everybody.